Hey, what's up guys? This is the Crypto Ninja. All right guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to set up Trojan Bot, okay? When you're in RunnerBot, you want to take the trading signals. What I recommend do is creating a fresh wallet with Trojan, okay? And then have that, pull those keys and put it into Padre, okay? I'll have a link for Padre as well, but Padre is basically where you're going to be trading like, on a desktop, okay? Trojan is mainly to get in the signals extremely fast if you're on the go, if you're at work, or you just want to get in a signal right away. And it's going to have all your take profit targets, your stop loss and all that. So you won't have to actively manage it. You can actively manage it when you're at home and you want to see the trade in real time on Padre. But for this example, we're using Trojan just to get you in the trade super fast, right? So you come in to see a signal and say you wanted to get into this one, right? Market cap's 51,000, okay? You come in right here and you just click TRO, okay? And that's gonna get you right in the trade automatically. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up for my settings, and then I will also link the Trojan website tutorial as well. They have a more further in-depth tutorial, but mine is more of a speed run to get you guys up to speed so you can start making money with this service, and then you guys can become lifetime members, okay? Because I've had a lot of people, they start, implement, they follow what I say, they start making money with this stuff, and then they just become a lifetime member, okay? A lot of people have converted over to that, okay? So just come over here on Trojan, okay, /, okay, click start, okay, and then we're gonna come into the settings, okay? Now, keep the MEV protection off and the MEV protection off on these, okay? Now, if you have over 2 Solana per trade, then definitely keep it on. But most people coming in this, they're not risking a lot of money. Okay, Turbo I have on. If you don't want to spend a lot on fees, then turn Turbo off. But I like Turbo because it gives you, priority, right? It gives you that blockchain priority. You're going to get in before other traders and out before other traders. So keep that in mind, okay? Now, when you click over here on, I have auto buy and auto sell set up, so that's going to automatically get me out. Okay, for the buy settings, you can adjust this to how much Solana that you want to use per trade. Okay, I have 0.1, 0.2, 0.25, 0.5, 0.1, or 1 Sol. You can change this to however you want, guys, depending upon how much cryptocurrency you want to risk. If you're new and you don't know what to do, guys, I highly recommend using very small amounts of Solana. I don't want you guys losing your ass while you're learning this, okay? Because this is a process, guys. Don't expect it to start making money automatically, okay? This is a process. You're going to have to fine tune it. I highly recommend that you start out very small and you keep a trading journal, okay? And the slippage is at 25%, okay? If we go over to auto sell, okay, you're going to set up a profile, okay? So obviously you're not going to have profile 1, profile 2. You're going to click new, and then you're going to create a profile, okay? Now the profile is what's going to set up your stop loss and your take profit targets, okay, guys? Because every single trade, we're very, very mechanical. Okay, we're going to have a stop loss to protect you from losing further amounts if it was a rug or it's not doing very well. And then we're going to have the take profit targets so you can ensure you lock in massive amounts of cryptocurrency gains on the way up, okay? So if we click on profile 1, these are my settings, guys, okay? You can adjust this to 50% if you want to de-risk completely, but I like to sell a little bit less just in case you get a really good runner. You really want to cut the position in half right out the gate. So I typically like to do take profit number 1 at 100%, and I sell 30%. Take profit 2 is 200% target, and we're going to sell 20%. Take profit 3 is 400%, selling 15%, and then take profit 4 is 900%, selling 10%. And then this other one's like a moonshot, so you're basically holding about 25% of your original position, right? So just go back, and then you say you have that on, and you can have different profiles. Like if I click on profile 2, I could have a different one. Like say I want to sell half of my bag right away at 100%. You can do that, guys. So that's the beauty of Trojan. You could have different profiles like for different days of trading, or if you want to do something different and experiment with that, okay? So that's pretty much all you guys got to do to get this thing rocking and rolling. And this thing's very powerful, guys. It's even got these P&L cards. It's got simple mode. It's got account security. I recommend you guys setting that up, okay? But like I said, I will link their documentation for further insight on setting this up. But this is an amazing, amazing trading bot that's been around for many years in the cryptocurrency meme trading space. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, or you're stuck, just reach out to me, guys. Send me a DM on WAP, okay, or through my website or in Telegram, okay? I have very, very good world-class support, and I would love to assist you and help you become successful. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your trading journey, and I hope you all become very rich with the service, all right? You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you at the top.